think it's here. It is. Oh, it's here. All right. Pick it up. Boom. All right. Oh, you want to give me something to open this?
A knife?
Yeah. Yeah. A knife. All right. Oh, look at this. Okay. Whoa, it is heavy, thick. All right. So we will try it out. Put it together, and then we'll see how it works. This is a sound blanket. U.S. cargo control. Nice. All right. U.S. cargo control. This is a sound blanket. Looks pretty thick. Not looks, it feels very thick as well. It's fairly big too. I think it was 70 inches by 80 inches. It's about 6 feet. So 6 feet by 7 feet, I would say. 6 feet by 6.5 feet. So check it out. Let y'all know what it's like. All right, y'all. All right, so I started a podcast. You can find my podcast on Spotify. If you type in Grow Up Church Podcast, or if you type in my name, Glory Dongala, you'll find it on Spotify, and you can also find it on Anchor. I started on the app called Anchor. Great app, very easy for you to make podcasts. Just made it very simple. So this is just kind of the start of everything. For now, this is the microphone I bought, the Rode microphone. So Rode microphone, it's an NT USB. So it's versatile studio quality. I've been just kind of really trying to figure out how to use this, but I'm gonna have a video specifically on this here as well that you could check out on my YouTube page. Okay, so but today I'm gonna try out this sound blanket. Okay, so and I just got this sound blanket. I ordered it from Amazon, and so we're gonna check it out and see what the difference is in sound. Okay, I put a little carpet here in the bottom because the whole floor is cement, which makes it very difficult to block the sound. So right now, this is what it sounds like. Yo, yo. This is what it sounds like right now. All right, so we're gonna put this up, and then we'll see what it'll sound like after it's done. All right. Too much fun. Too much fun. All right. It's up. I'll have the link to this. But let's check out the difference. Okay. My little definitely feels a lot hotter in here. Oh! Yo, 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 yo. All right. So there's definitely a difference. Whereas before there was a little bit more of a echo sound. You don't really hear that echo sound anymore. It's definitely made this room a lot hotter. This blanket is thick. It is really thick. Man. Yeah. But it's hot in here now. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. I like it. I'm going to check it out with my my microphone here, and we'll see what happens. I still got to put more sound things on the wall here. I went to Walmart, but they didn't have it. But on Amazon has it. So, all right. See y'all next time.